Xiamen Dozer Industries Company Limited is a leading supplier of high-quality undercarriage parts for excavators and bulldozers in China. With over 16 years of experience, our brand, DZR since 2007, is widely recognized for its superior quality and excellent service. We boast extensive expertise in OEM and aftermarkets for various construction machinery, including EX1800, PC1250, D9N, D11N, D475, EC950, and other models. Our specialty lies in offering a diverse range of undercarriage and correlated replacement parts, such as track rollers, carrier rollers, idler, recoil spring, track link, track shoes, sprockets, excavator buckets, excavator boom arms, bolts, and nuts for excavators and bulldozers. Our products are compatible with most major makes such as Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi, Kobelco, JCB, Volvo, Kato, Daewoo, Doosan, Hyundai, Samsung, and more. We export a majority of our products to Europe, Southeast Asia, Middle East, South America, and other regions. Our motto, Quality First, reflects our commitment to continuously improving our production techniques, ensuring that we provide better products at competitive prices. We welcome customers from all over the world to consult with us and visit our company to create mutual benefit and a successful business relationship together. We believe that our experience, quality products, and excellent customer service will make us your best partner.
Tula! Fighting!